Hello, this is just a quick video to show you how Cloud9 works. All you need to access the Cloud9 service is a web browser. As you can see here, any of the major web browsers will work just fine. What you do is open up your browser, go to the cloud9.org website, and you can see in the top right hand corner over here is the login button. I'll click the login button and I should be presented with a login screen. Just put my credentials in here and I should be presented with a list of the applications that have been assigned to my account. Now if I want to run one of these applications, let's pick on Microsoft Word. You just click on it once and as you can see it'll begin the login process. Now the first application that you try to open essentially logs in your account in the background, so it can take sort of 15 to 20 seconds or so for the first application to open. Any subsequent applications open almost instantly. So there you go, we should have Microsoft Word opening now. So as you can see, it looks like it's installed on this local computer. You can minimize it, it's down there in the taskbar, and it just behaves just like normal. And you can see if we type in it, it's just as fast as if it were installed on this computer. So that's essentially how it works. I'll show you if I open up Microsoft PowerPoint. You should see it all happens pretty quickly. Microsoft Excel. And all of these applications, as I say, they all appear as though they're running on this machine. What's happening here is they're actually running on the Cloud9 servers, not on this machine at all. This approach has a number of advantages because suddenly any computer becomes your own. Your files and your software programs are suddenly available to you from anywhere. I'll also show you, we can launch the Documents folder. And as you can see here on the left hand side, you've got a couple of shortcuts. Firstly, to your company files that you might share with colleagues within your company. You'll have your own personal private document area, and then you've got a couple of links here for accessing files on your local computer. So you can click on this one here and it'll show you all the local drives attached to your computer, such as USB keys, network shares, all that sort of stuff. There's also two shortcuts here, one for XP and one for Vista, depending on which client machine you're accessing, so that you can easily access your local desktop and My Documents. So all the files will be there. Printing works just as normal. You'll be able to print to any printers that are set up on your local computer. But what I will show you here is a reliability feature. As you can see, if we're working on this document without saving it, what we can do is imagine that something major has gone wrong here. It could be that this physical computer has crashed, suddenly lost its power, or more commonly I suppose, it's suddenly lost its internet connection. To simulate this, what I'll do is I'll just click on this disconnect button and you'll see all the applications in the background will suddenly disappear. Okay, so what I've done here is I've moved across to a Mac. I go to the cloud9.org website and I just log into my account again. What we should find is, when I click this reconnect button, everything exactly where we left off on the Windows PC. So you should see that we're halfway through that Word document. Excel should open in the background. There you go, and PowerPoint. So as you can see, it's a robust solution, it's a robust system, so that it can cope with an electricity failure, your internet connection, or your local computer crashing while you're in the middle of your work and nothing is affected. And as I said before, this is essentially because all of the work that you're doing is actually happening on the Cloud9 server infrastructure. So it really doesn't matter what computer you're on, we can deliver any of your business software to you anywhere. And as I say, it will also work on mobile devices such as iPhones or Windows Mobile. I hope that this has been an interesting demonstration. Thank you.